Why do we celebrate Vesak Day or Buddha Purnima? If you don't know, let's hear it out.
Buddha Purnima, also known as Vesak or Buddha Jayanti, is an important festival celebrated by Buddhists around the world. The festival is celebrated to commemorate the birth, enlightenment, and death of Gautama Buddha, the founder of Buddhism. This festival holds great importance among the Buddhist community for several reasons. Foremost, the festival commemorates Gautama Buddha's birth, who was born in Lumbini, Nepal on the full moon day of Vesak month. The occasion is considered important in the development of Buddhism and symbolizes hope, peace, and enlightenment. The second reason for Buddha Purnima is to remember when Gautama Buddha attained enlightenment. In Bodh Gaya, at the age of 35, he attained enlightenment on this day. Buddha's teaching stressed compassion, non-violence, and the search for inner peace. Thirdly, Buddha Purnima also honors Mahaparinirvana, the term for the death of Gautama Buddha. At the age of 80, Buddha passed away in Kushinagar, fully attaining nirvana and achieving absolute serenity. Fourth, Buddhists all around the globe associate Buddha Purnima with important cultural traditions. The festival is a cultural event as well as a religious one.